What's up guys, I almost didn't do this week's video, but I'm here, we're going surfing. It's a beautiful day here in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm absolutely loving this weather, there's no wind. For a change, it's actually weird that there's no wind in Cape Town. This is like the perfect time to come surfing in Cape Town, the beginning of April. Then that's just before winter when the wind goes down. I almost didn't make a video this week. Feeling a little bit down, I was feeling a little bit demotivated. It was a hot week and I had to work yesterday. Today is Sunday. That's no excuse to not make a video. And I'm going out, I'm going surfing. So I decided I'm making a video this week. I built this road from here. Until there. I built that. What's it looking like? What's it looking like?
Not too great.
Okay, we're gonna get suited up and we're gonna get out there. Easter egg, because it's almost Easter. I feel like this vlog is all over the place. Sorry, next week it will be better. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you put on a wetsuit. Not a bad sunset session. For some reason I just keep on forgetting stuff. If it's not my GoPro, I forget my wax. If it's not my wax, I forget my towel, I forget to charge my GoPro. I'm just so glad I never forgot my wetsuit before, but I'm gonna solve this problem. I'm gonna solve this problem where I keep on forgetting stuff, so I'm gonna solve it now. So this is the crate I put my stuff in when I go surfing. I've got my wetsuit, got some towels, bottle of water, I've got GoPro mounts. And this is how I'm gonna solve my problem. So now every time I pack my stuff into my box, I'll see this checklist and I'll know not to forget anything. I hope this helps. Anyway, hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. So I guess I'll see you next week.